Side and welcome back to my channel Side Echo. In today's I'll try to do the CPU throttling test in the Iqoo 7 smartphone, as you can see friends. So this is another question which I'm getting a lot of requests on this particular model. So how is the throttling going on in this phone which has a Snapdragon 870 chipset? So let me quickly show you. So here's a model friends exactly I'm trying to use. So 8GB plus 3GB extended RAM and 128GB as well. And during this time of testing I did enable the extended RAM functionality which is available here, as you can see. So it was enabled already. So I'll try to use the CPU throttling application. So as you can see friends, this is application which I'll trying to use in this test. I'll try to run the test for 15 minutes. So let's see, will there be any kind of increase in the temperature and will there be any kind of decrease in the throttling or not. And make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for this kind of link, as you can see. So this is the link friends. So once you click that link, it will take you to the another page where you can actually access the playlist for the Iqoo 7 smartphone. So there you will get different smartphones which are reviewed in my channel and number of videos I have uploaded. So make sure to check that link friends. Don't forget to check click that link, and let's get started with this kind of CPU throttling test which I'm going to do right now. Let me try to show you the settings what I'm trying to use. As you can see clearly, these are the settings which I'm trying to use, and I'll try to do for the 15 minutes. And let me try to increase the number of threads to 50. So before I used to do using with the 20 only, but a lot of users they did suggest me to try to increase the number of threads as well. So this might even put more pressure on this Snapdragon 870 chipset on any other smartphone. So that's what I was doing right now. So let me try to click on that display CPU temperature and all those things, and all the details are completely saved at the moment. And let me try to turn off the 4G data during this time of testing. So no 4G is on and 50% brightness, and I'm using with a 120 Hz refresh rate. So let me try to go to the display, and as you can see 120 Hz as well. So let's see how well the CPU throttling will be up handled in this Iqoo 7 smartphone. So as you can see right now the test has been started, and the temperature is about 37 degrees at the moment on the front side, 37, and on the back side as well I think close to 37 only. So overall we can see only 37 degrees in this phone at the moment. So once the throttling has been completely done after 15 minutes, so then we'll be able to estimate how is the performance. But right now, till now I did not notice much, but in the initial times it will be always close to 100. But as you can see friends, it's decreasing. So it's coming low to 90, and even one point it came up to 80 as well. So this is within the first 1 minute of using the testing. So in case if you want me to increase the number of threads, so definitely do let me in the comments below how much maximum should I test, maybe 100 or something, continue with the 50, something like that. So definitely make sure to comment below what are your thoughts. As you can see, sometimes the decreasing and increasing the throttling, as you can see clearly. So again I'll be back after maybe 10 minutes of time, so then I can discuss how is the graph going on and temperature readings as well. So try to remember friends, 37 degrees is the temperature right now in the beginning. So again I'll try to check the temperature later as well. So meanwhile, if you like this kind of content, and kindly please support me by subscribing to my channel, and definitely friends, this will be kind of very much encouragement for me to post more and more videos in the upcoming phones as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting concept. So again I'll be back after 10 minutes of charging. 10 minutes of CPU throttling test, sorry. You can see friends, right now it's been 11 minutes of using this CPU throttling test, and just now it went down up to 80%, as you can see friends. One thing is that the phone is started to get heat as well. So right now it's about 44 degrees, as you can see friends, 44.2. 44 degrees is the highest recorded, and my room temperature did not turn on any kind of AC aircon at all, as you can see friends. So whenever I do this kind of testings, I'll make sure that there is no AC involved, aircon, so because it should not affect any kind of performance with the phone. So that is what I'll be doing the realistic test. So only fan is turned on, even that in the very slow speed. So even you can see friends, the table temperature and everything, the room temperature, the wall, everywhere is 35 degrees only. As you can see, the phone temperature is also highest, 44 degrees. So let's see friends, what will be the results of the final score. So that is what I'm going to see, what will be the final test results. So I'm very curious to see in this phone. I'll try to do this kind of comparison with the Mi 11X as well. So that will be another good comparison with that phone. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those interesting comparisons videos. And definitely friends, hit that like and subscribe in case if you enjoy this kind of content. So again I'll be back exactly after 15 minutes of completing this throttling test. As you can see friends, right now it's getting close to 50 minutes. So right now the test has been successfully completed, and one good thing about this phone is that the performance did not decrease below 80% friends. That's a really very good advantage with this Iqoo 7. So it doesn't matter even how many threads you are using, still the phone maintained really good. So I did see some other phones even with the 20 threads using, when I try to perform this kind of task, they went up to 73 and 70%. I'll try to do that kind of comparison friends with the other phones which I'm talking about, so definitely stay tuned. But this score is really impressive, but only one thing, the temperature is slightly high. That's acceptable, but still the performance it's not decreasing, so you are getting very good solid performance in this phone. So in this segment I'm giving a 5 out of 5. I did not expect in this phone, because this is my first time using this many number of threads while testing in the phone. So I thought the performance will decrease below 60, but that's not the case. That's a really good thing. And the brightness I have used 50%, not 100%, 50%, and 120 Hz refresh rate turned on. And right now the battery percentage is also 55%, as you can see. So I'm not sure at the beginning of the video, maybe it was close to 60% around. So maybe 5 to 6% decrease during this time of 15 minutes intense CPU throttling test. So maybe in the another video I'll try to come up with the 100 threads as well using those tests. So I'll try to talk about those details as well in another video. So I'm just trying to open this Antutu benchmark application just to show you the how is the temperatures of the battery and the CPU temperatures. You can clearly see here 43 degrees, and the CPU is about 51 degrees. As you can see, just now it started to decrease. These are real-time temperature. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button as well. So definitely I'll do my best to post as many as videos on this phone as possible very soon. So stay tuned for more upcoming videos as well friends. So thank you for watching and being patient till end, and definitely make sure to check the playlist as well. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.